Hi, to check the battery health of your OnePlus Nord 3, we will need to open Play Store first. Here, go in the Search tab and after that type in Ampere, like that, and find this app with blue icon and download it. In my case, it is already installed, so I just need to open it. And now I can check everything about my phone. So here you will find 5 pages. Just scroll through them to check all of the information. And what about the battery health? Here just take a look at the health section, and in my case it is good, so everything is just fine. You can also check the cycle count, maximum capacity, voltage, model, and so on. Scroll through the next page, just check the level, plugged or unplugged, Android version, and temperature of your battery. So yeah, that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.